Home improvement projects should be exciting. But for homeowners with little experience in construction, they can quickly feel overwhelming. With so many opinions out there, how do you know whose advice is reliable? Are the repairs truly necessary or just an upsell? Even if you know what needs to be done, where do you begin? And how to avoid common mistakes along the way? Once the work begins, how can you tell if it's really being done right? That's where Askitect comes in. Our easy-to-use platform gives homeowners fast, unbiased, and professional advice, from initial problem evaluation to final quality check. With Askitect's photo-based assessment, understanding your home improvement concerns is effortless. Upload a photo, our AI will analyze it to show what needs attention. Plan your project with confidence. We'll help you set a realistic timeline, budget, and milestones, while pointing out key things to watch out for. Need help during construction? Askitect lets you verify the quality of work as it progresses to meet the standards. With Askitect, gain confidence, save money, and enjoy peace of mind at every stage of your project. Take the uncertainty out of your home improvement. Try Askitect today.